We are unboxing a Polaroid Go Generation 2 mini instant film camera, blue in color. It is only compatible with Go Film. We purchased an upgraded Polaroid camera strap, which we're also going to install, and we are going to install Polaroid Go Color Film, a complete pack that included 16 photos. The box included a USB cable and it included a basic strap. Regarding the strap, there was only one place to connect the strap, so we had to loop the strap around itself so that the next strap could be utilized effectively. Next comes the most fun part of the camera, which is the film. The new film cartridge contains arrows which need to be lined up to the arrows on the inside of the camera. Once they're lined up, the film installs quite easily and it shoots out a piece of cardboard, which lets you know that the installation has been completed successfully. The job is complete and the camera is now ready to use.
If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, give a thumbs up, consider subscribing to this channel, and click on the bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.